friends, welcome back. I'm here to share KLJUYP's July release. I just received my package yesterday and I am super excited with this theme. Their theme for the month is Carnival. And if you remember, they also came out with a Carnival theme last year. They had a bundle. So if you bought that bundle, you'll definitely want to get this one because they all work together. And let me tell you, it's super cute. So the first item is this really cute zebra. Look at how cute this is. I love the layering. So you have the base, which could be the white or the black or whatever color you want to make your zebra. And then this would be the layering. And then it comes with a cute skirt, a ruffle skirt there. And then this part here, I think that's the tail, if I'm not mistaken. And that is the mane right there. So this is super fun. I love that. The next item is this animal cage. Let me open this. Okay, so this die comes with a lot of pieces, but it looks really easy to put together. So this is probably the base of the cage. Then you have this one here, which has the stitching. So that would be the layering piece. And then you have the, also it's a box. So here would be, I believe, the bottom, and this would be the sides. You cut it twice to go on each side there. You have the wheels and the accessories to decorate the cage. You have the banner. You have this scalloped edge right here. This is for the top of the cage, which would be right there, if you see that fits. So yeah, this is another exciting die. I can't wait to work with this. They also came out with this really cool sentiment strip stamp and die set. It's like the KS Craft sets that they come out with. So this one here says Candy Apple, Carnival, Merry-Go-Round, Game On, Sideshow Wonders, Balloons, Whirl and Twirl, Funhouse, Step Right Up, Win Big, Spin to Win, and Carousel. So those are fun. And so this is the piece where you would align the dots. Once you stamp it, these dots will stamp out as well. So before you put it through your cutting machine, you'll want to align the dots like so, and then you push it through, and then they'll all come out with this pretty strip, this wavy strip, and there are stars and polka dots on the edges. Then you'll run this one through, and that will be the base. So it'll be whatever color you want to show through the star and the polka dots there. Be like that. Love that. The next die here looks like a carousel die. Yes, look at that. So you have the carousel, all the layering pieces to decorate the carousel, and you have a swan right there. So that would be really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love all the pieces that you can use to decorate the carousel. This would be another good one right there. These are Carnival snacks, where you can see it's popcorn and a soda. Looks like a hot dog on a stick, and French fries. We also have this one that looks like a seal. Yes, look at that. Love the eye. So that's the seal. So you have the base piece and then the layering piece. So whatever color you want, you know, the spots and the eyes, that's what you would, you know, cut the back out there. And then you have the cute stand or the stool that the seal will be on. Super neat. I love that. Here we have a cotton candy card. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Look at the cotton candies. And you have these bags of cotton candy. Here's the card, and it has the words cotton candy. Look at the cute bows. So I guess you put the bows on the bag, or you can even put it at the bottom here of the cotton candy. And here's the wheel and the layering piece. Another layering piece there. These have a lot of fun pieces. I cannot wait to craft with this set. I'm still working on their summer release, so I still have a few projects to share. Once I'm done with that, I'll dive into this Carnival release. This one here is the Swan mini album. Look at that. That's such a nice size. You have the tab and all the decorative pieces there. You can make the wing looks like a shaker. So that's going to be really nice. Yep, you can put it and make it a shaker. So it'll go right there. Ooh, this one is going to be really pretty. That's a really nice one. Last but not least, these are their sentiments. Love the font. So let's see what it says. Let me read backwards here. Ferris wheel, funnel cake, spin to win, popcorn, ring toss, and bumper car. So this is what that looks like. Again, I really love the font. Can't wait to use this. So that is their release. Super fun. And again, if you bought their Carnival release last year, you'll definitely want to add this to your collection. And hopefully someone hosts a Carnival swap, because that would be so much fun. I love that theme. Carnival theme is another one of my favorites. Sweet Treats is my all-time favorite. But yeah, if anybody wants to host a Carnival swap, let me know. So I'll be back later this week with some fun projects to share. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye.